Will rebaking an undercooked cake affect its texture and taste?
Hello, bakers! Today, we're diving into an often asked question. Will rebaking an undercooked cake affect its texture and taste? If you've ever been in the situation where you've taken a cake out of the oven only to find it's still gooey in the middle, you're not alone. Let's discuss what happens when you attempt to rebake it.
Why might a cake be undercooked?
It's essential first to understand why a cake might end up undercooked. A few reasons could be: you've set the oven at the wrong temperature, the cake was taken out too early, or the cake is too dense. No matter the reason, an undercooked cake can be a source of frustration.
Can you rebake an undercooked cake?
The short answer is yes, you can rebake an undercooked cake. However, there is more to consider than just throwing it back in the oven. You must think about how it will affect the cake's texture and taste.
How does rebaking affect the cake's texture?
Rebaking an undercooked cake will indeed affect its texture. If the cake is slightly undercooked, a brief additional baking time can help cook the inside without causing significant texture changes. However, if you wait until the cake has cooled before rebaking, you risk drying out the cake. This could result in a drier, harder texture than desired.
How does rebaking affect the cake's taste?
Rebaking can also impact the taste of the cake. Overbaking, in general, can lead to a cake that tastes dry and maybe a bit burnt. This is because extended exposure to heat can caramelize the sugars more than intended, leading to a darker, more toasty flavor. This might be desirable in some situations, but not usually for cake. So, there you have it. Yes, you can rebake an undercooked cake, but doing so may impact its texture and taste. The best practice is to avoid undercooking by ensuring your oven is correctly set and testing doneness with a toothpick before removing your cake from the oven. However, if you do end up with an undercooked cake, a little extra baking might save it. Happy baking, and remember, every mistake is a delicious learning opportunity.